back to my channel. It's Yazzie. Today I am filming a fall vibes type of look. Since we are in the month of October, I feel that it's only right that I do a fall look video for you guys. So if you want to see how I got this fall makeup look, just keep on watching. I'm going to start this makeup look using the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. And I just got this today and I really wanted to use it, so this is what it looks like. Okay, I see my friend Izzy use this all the time and I'm like, okay, well, gotta use it. First bump. I'm not a fan of the smell. Could smell better, but please do not mind my little friends up here. They're only here for a short period of time, so just give them a moment. They'll get on out of here, don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows just because I feel like when I do my eyebrows first, at least, that just starts off my whole look. I'm going baby on baby. Next, I'm gonna go in with some brow gel and I'm gonna use the Benefit Give Me Brow. Just so I know that they're gonna stay in place. Fill in any bald spots that I have. Okay, so I'm gonna conceal my brows with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I really like using this to conceal my eyebrows and clean up underneath just because it's gonna give me full cover. I'm gonna take this and drag it down on my lid. That way I start prepping for eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna blend that out with a beauty blender in a second. So it'll all come together. Dog outside the door. She's like, let me in. I'm like, no bitch, you're not coming in. I'll conceal these guys too while we're at it, just cause I'm tired of seeing y'all in my face. You don't have a home here, get out. I brought my beauty blender, so I'll be right back. I'm just blending the concealer down to my lid to prime for eyeshadow. I don't really know what kind of look I'm going for. I just know I want to do like a fall vibes type of thing. I know my backdrop is purple, but kind of like easing into October, so all I do know is that I want to use the Nubian by Juvia's palette, and it's so I got the little mini one. Look how cute this is. It's a mini beanie. So those are the colors. Okay, so I for sure want to use this orange right here as a transition or something. I want to incorporate that orange. I think I want to use this for my outer corner, and I know, oh my gosh, I just like have so many little things that I want to play with. But I also have these two little Stila eyeshadow stick things. This one's kind of like a bronzed warm tone, and this one's more like an orangey tone. They're like glitter shadows. So I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna start off with this color in my crease. And what I do to blend out my colors, I kind of just start in the outer corner and then I do circular motions and I kind of just sweep back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, do the circular motions in the inner corner, and then back and forth until I get like my desired color. So I'm gonna do the same thing, keep going back and forth until I reach my desired pigment. And then sometimes I'll just bring it up just to blend it into my brow bone. So I'll go ahead and blend that up. And that was a Morphe M441 brush, by the way, if you guys wanted to know. Next, I'm gonna take like a flat, what is this? Just like a flat definer brush. It's on the thicker side, so just like a flat definer brush. This was the Morphe M503 brush, and I'm gonna dip it in the darker color in this palette. And I'm gonna start working on my outer corner. So I'm just defining that crease too in the outer corner. So once I put that color in the outer corner, I'm just gonna drag the excess in like that. So I'm gonna go back with that fluffy brush and I'm gonna dip it back into that first same color, and I'm just gonna blend it a little more. So I'm gonna keep repeating the same steps, going back and forth with the two shades. I'm gonna take a clean M513 brush, just a simple blending brush, and I'm gonna dip it into that corner shade right here. And I'm just gonna blend like the outer corner right here. So I'm just gonna blend everything together, make sure it goes smoothly. I'm just gonna take that color and I'm kind of just gonna like cut my crease with it. cute. We have a little bronze moment going on. So cute. She's fall. Miss United States. Who is she? Don't know her. I think I am gonna go with a shadow just to kind of set it. So I think I'm gonna go with this color from the Nubian by Juvia's palette. She's pigmented. Okay, so I'm just gonna tap it on. Oh, okay. Wow. She is a bronze fall queen. Hi, fall vibes. Nice to meet you. Let her have the moment. It's going in. She's not stopping. Didn't even expect it to look like this. Wow, that's crazy. She's crazy. And then the inner corner highlight. Oh my god. It's getting me excited. She's good. She's doing good. Doing well, dog. Doing well, dog. So now, since we already primed the skin a little bit before with the Farsali spray, rose gold shit, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. That way our skin doesn't get dry. So I'm just gonna pump some on my hand right here. That first pump. Okay, this takes forever. Any day now. Oh, there she goes. She's thick. All right, she's thick. I'll give her that. All right, let's see how she works. Let's see. I think I'm liking this with the Beauty Blender. Oh yeah, we like her. So I got the matching shade that goes with this. I got 240, I think it is. And by the way, my shade in the hydrating one is 240, but I'm not even gonna lie to you. This honestly feels a little darker. Brand new. All right, so we're gonna go with this on top. I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. I'm gonna bronze my face using the Marc Jacobs bronzer. Damn guys, I really wish I was going somewhere for this look. Damn girl, she thick. 24-hour Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. This is really separating my lashes. I'm gonna be using the Baddie Bee lashes. I'm so excited for fall. I don't know about you guys, but it's October. Halloween. Y'all gotta tell me you're excited for Halloween. These Halloween looks, cause you know I'm about to bust out with something. I don't know yet. I'm looking over here and I got a door full of wigs, so. Okay, so now that I have both my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line. So next are lips, and since I am going for a like fall vibe type of thing, I'm gonna do, I want to do like a darker lip. So I'm gonna line my lips with the Morphe Sweet Tea Liner. Bittersweet. Just in person, this looks so good. The highlight, the contour, everything looks amazing. Oh my gosh, down to the T. Set my face. One last time. Really breathe it in. Really breathe in that Morphe setting spray. And then I'll show you guys the final look. So this is the finished fall look. She's cute, she's dark, she's scary, she's spooky. All characteristics for spooky season. Thing turned out really well. I really am loving everything. The highlight's good, the contour, the lip, the darkness. I love it. I'm living. I wish I had like a fan. Get like a fan moment. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited to do these Halloween looks. This is something that I've really been looking forward to. So I am just ready to get the dice rolling, get these looks ready for you guys. Oh my god. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.